everyone. Welcome to English Practice Field. I'm Julia. I hope you are feeling calm today.
Hello, I'm Henry. Thanks for being here with us. Take a moment, sit comfortably, let your shoulders relax.
Today, we want to talk about something very important, something we all want but sometimes forget, a healthy life. Simple habits for a better life.
Yes, a healthy life sounds big, but it is built from small daily choices.
When I hear healthy life, I feel two things, hope and pressure. Hope because I want to feel better, pressure because I think I must change everything.
That feeling is very common. Many people think healthy means perfect. Perfect food, perfect body, perfect routine. But real health is more human than that.
I'm glad you said that. Some days I wake up tired. I want to eat well. I want to move my body, but life feels busy or heavy.
I understand. I have those days too. On those days, health is not about doing more, it's about doing a little with kindness.
Kindness to yourself, that already sounds healthy. Can I ask you something honest?
Of course.
Sometimes I know what is good for me. Drink water, sleep well, walk more, but I don't do it. Why is that?
Welcome to being human. Knowing is easy, doing is harder. Our brains like comfort. They like habits, even bad ones. Change feels uncomfortable at first.
So it's not because I'm lazy?
No, it's because you're human. Laziness is a harsh word. Most of the time, we just need easier habits, not more willpower.
Easier habits. I like that. For example, drinking water. I always forget.
Then don't make it big. Don't say, I will drink 2 liters every day. Just say, I will drink 1 glass when I wake up. Simple, easy. After that, your body often wants more.
1 glass feels possible. When goals feel possible, I feel calmer.
Calm is important for health. Stress affects the body a lot. When we feel calm, our body works better.
Stress is a big part of my life. Work, study, phone, messages. My mind is always busy.
Yes, mental health is part of a healthy life, not only food and exercise. Rest is also a habit. Silence is also a habit.
Silence as a habit? That's interesting. I feel guilty when I rest.
Many people do. But rest is not a reward. Rest is a need, like sleep. Without rest, even healthy habits become hard.
When you say it like that, it feels logical, but emotionally, it's still hard.
That's okay. You don't need to change your feelings today. Just notice them. Awareness is the first healthy habit.
Notice, not judge. I like that. Let me ask about food. People talk so much about food. Healthy food, bad food. It makes me confused.
Keep it simple. Eat real food most of the time. Vegetables, fruits, grains, simple meals. And enjoy your food. Fear around food is not healthy.
Enjoy food. I forgot that part. I eat fast, looking at my phone.
Me too sometimes. A small habit is to eat 1 meal a day without your phone. Just one. Taste your food. Breathe.
That sounds peaceful. And movement, exercise feels like a big word.
Then don't call it exercise. Call it movement. Walking, stretching, dancing in your room. Moving your body reminds you that you're alive.
Dancing in my room? I do that sometimes. It makes me smile.
Smiling is healthy too. Health is not only serious, it can be light. It can be fun.
I feel like health is not about changing who I am. It's about taking care of who I am.
Exactly. That's a beautiful way to say it.
I think many listeners feel like me. They want a healthy life, but they feel tired before they start.
If you're listening right now, you already did something healthy. You chose to slow down. You chose to listen. That matters.
That's true. Listening feels gentle.
I'm happy to hear that. Health should feel supportive, not heavy.
I want to talk about daily routines. People online have perfect mornings, early wake ups, cold showers, journals. I feel behind when I see that.
Haha, yes. The perfect morning that lasts 3 days. Real life routines are messy. A healthy routine fits your life, not someone else's video.
That makes me smile. My mornings are quiet but slow. Sometimes I wake up and just stare at the ceiling.
That's okay. A healthy morning can start with one gentle action. Open the window. Take a deep breath. Drink some water. You don't need a long list.
Breathing feels simple. I forget how powerful breathing is.
Slow breathing tells your body you are safe. That message is very healthy.
Let's talk about sleep. I know sleep is important, but I always sleep late.
Sleep is one of the strongest health habits. Not only the hours, but the rhythm. Try to sleep and wake at similar times. And before sleep, slow down your mind.
My phone keeps my mind busy. I say 5 more minutes and then 1 hour passes.
Yes, phones are very convincing. A small habit helps. Put your phone away 10 minutes earlier, just 10. Your brain will thank you.
10 minutes feels doable. I notice you always suggest small steps.
Small steps create trust with yourself. When you keep small promises, you feel stronger inside.
Stronger inside, that's emotional health, right?
Yes, emotional health is about how you speak to yourself. Are you kind? Are you patient? Your inner voice matters.
My inner voice is not always kind. It pushes me hard.
Try changing the tone, not the message. Instead of "you must do better," try "let's try again tomorrow." Same direction, softer voice.
Softer voice. I like that. What about bad days? Days when everything feels off.
Bad days are part of a healthy life. Health does not mean happy every day. On bad days, lower your expectations. Do the basics. Eat, drink water, rest. That is enough.
Hearing that is enough feels very comforting.
Good. Health is long term. One bad day does not ruin anything. It's just one day.
I want to ask about habits that really last, not just for a week.
Habits last when they are connected to your values. Ask yourself, why do I want this? Not for pressure, for care, for energy, for a better future.
So, health habits are a form of self respect.
Exactly. You take care of what you respect.
I feel like we are talking to the listener now. If you are listening, maybe you don't need a big change. Maybe you need one kind habit.
Yes, one glass of water, one short walk, one deep breath. Repeat it often.
Repetition helps English learning too. Simple words, clear ideas, again and again.
That's right. And if you enjoy learning English in a calm, human way, you can gently subscribe to English Practice Field and stay with us.
We would love to have you here.
Before we finish, we want to ask you two simple questions.
What is one small, healthy habit you want to start this week?
And what is one habit you want to make softer, not perfect?
Write your thoughts in the comments, or just think about them quietly.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Take care of your body. Take care of your mind.
And remember, a healthy life grows slowly.
See you next time.